Hello, welcome back to the channel. My name is Samira. If I see my tutorial for the first time, if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to my channel. So I'll be sharing with you guys how I made a 3-in-1 hair bonnet. So guys can subscribe, like, comment, give this video more watch time. Can also turn notification bell to get notified to see my next tutorial. So guys, if this is what you're interested in, please keep on watching this particular tutorial down to the end, and you can share this tutorial with your friends, ask them to also watch this particular tutorial down to the end, guys. So let's dive into today's tutorial, guys. The first step is to align both fabrics together so that it can be easier for us to cut both fabrics at a time. I'm sure you can see that this is easier step for you to cut and for you to try to make your own. So keep on watching. Hey, this process might look funny, but we are going to achieve our goal. So keep on watching. This stylish hair bonnet, we all must have it and wear it. So I've already cut out the part that I'm going to use for my measurement. Alright, so I'm trying to arrange it well for us to start our measurement. So I'm going to be measuring 14 inches for my width. Okay, that's the 40-inch for my width. So I'm going to also be measuring double of that for the length, which is by 29 inches. This hair bonnet, we almost have it. It's a trendy hair bonnet that you need to have. So just keep on watching this particular tutorial down to the end so that you'll be able to make your own after watching it. So what I will do now is for me to fold my fabric into 4, okay, so that I can achieve my circumference. So I have to fold the fabric into 4. So you can, as you can see me doing on the video, just keep on watching. So I'm trying to arrange it for us to get our circumference. So I've done that. You can see how neat it is. So I'm going to be measuring 14 inches. That's the 14 inches that I'm going to keep on measuring. I'm going to keep on measuring that 14 inches all round. So I've just keep on measuring 14 inches. Then I'll keep on measuring it all round, as you can see me doing in the video. Ta 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 ta. So that's the 14 inches for my circumference. Okay, so I already have my hair bonnet circumference now, so I'm cutting it out, as you can see me doing on the video. You can see how simple it is for you to make this particular hair bonnet by yourself. So let me trim it out well. Okay, so let me place it. I'm going to still open it for you guys to see how the circumference is. Don't forget, I'm making hair bonnet 3-in-1 hair bonnet today. It's a trendy style. It's a trendy hair bonnet that you should have. So just keep on watching, guys. The next thing now is for me to pin the edges together. So I'm going to be pinning the edges together. Okay, so I'll just pin it all round. So I'll keep on pinning it all round. I'm going to pin the edges so that I can have a neat sewing and a firm circumference while stitching them together. So you can see I've stitched them together, and I've also trimmed out the excess from it so that I can have a smooth surface. So that's what I'm showing you. So I left 2 inches allowance for me to turn it out, my circumference. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm turning it out, guys, so that I can have a flat surface. Okay, so I'm turning it out. So this is how to go about it. I'm through with the interface. You can see how smooth, how neat it is. So guys, can give this video more watch time. Can also give it a thumbs up so that more people can get to see it and watch and learn from it. So let's head over to the sewing machine now. Guys, I want you to focus on how I'm going to align the pleat. Here you are going to be doing double work, and make sure you are aligning your pleats well and maintaining your sizes and stretching the band. Please, I'm sorry my camera did not take that part. So the width is by 4 inches while the length is by 21 inches. Just keep on following the procedure to the end of your circumference. Okay, so just keep on doing that now. The fabric that I'm using for the band is a lycra material, is a stretching material. So when sewing, keep on stretching your material. Okay, so your whole hair bonnet should look like this. Finally, we are done. This is the first phase. Okay, this is just the first phase of our hair bonnet, and this is the second phase of our hair bonnet. Okay, so that's what I'm showing you guys in the video. This is the second phase of our hair bonnet, and lastly, this is our third hair bonnet. You can see how simple and how beautiful our hair bonnet came out. Very lovely. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial, guys. Finally, we are done with our hair bonnet. So this is the end of today's tutorial, guys. Please subscribe, comment, like, and give it more watch time. You can also turn notification bell to get notified to see my next tutorial. You'll be the first to see it and watch and learn from it. Thank you so much for watching. And guys, you can try to make this particular hair bonnet on your own. So if you don't understand it, fine, you can watch it again and again so that you can enjoy, you can understand it more better. I'll see you all in my next one. Bye bye.